Good evening, respected team. Firstly, I would like to thank for considering me. Now, I'll like to introduce myself. I am Gunjan Wadhwani. I am pursuing BBA from Bhagwan Parshuram Institute of Technology, Delhi. I have done my schooling from Adharshila Vidyapeeth, Pitampura, with commerce background. Now, further going to the questions. So the first question is, why should we hire you? Okay, so basically, in respect to this answer, I would like to say that I am a very keen learner. I really like to explore more fields and more areas, and I can do the work and deliver exceptional results. I possess qualities like multitasking, as well as I have been doing uh, the German course with my graduation. So, and also I have been teaching tuitions since past 2 years. So I believe that every work nourishes our skills even more. Therefore, I feel confident that whatever I'll be doing it with utmost dedication and hard work. So I possess a combination of skills and experience that makes me stand out from the crowd. So now going to the next question. So the next question is, what are your strengths and weaknesses? My strengths are that I possess good communication skills. I believe that I possess good communication skills since I have been teaching. So that teaching thing has, that has nourished my communication skills a lot more. So and also I am a hardworking girl. I believe in smart work rather than hard work. Therefore, I can assure that I'll be doing my work not only efficiently but also effectively. Now, I would tell about my weaknesses. So, the weakness I thought that it could be a weakness of mine is that I accept failures a bit too impatiently, maybe. That like a failure sometimes hits me very hard. So I believe that I would utilize each nerve of myself to do the task which is assigned to me with whole dedication and whole hard work, with like whole, you know my whole strength I would put in that work, because it's very difficult for me to accept failure. So I think that this weakness of mine can uh, be a weakness too and a strength too. And further going to the next question. So the next question is, tell me about a recent project you worked on. Recently, during this lockdown time, I have been trying to do some different things. I have been doing digital marketing course from Google, and as I told that I have been learning German, so I have been working on my German skills. I have been learning that as well, and also I have started giving German tuitions also now. So that's the whole thing which I have been doing during this lockdown time. Also, so the next question is, tell me about a big mistake. Okay, so the mistake which I have learned is that during my school times, I used to sometimes delegate my works to some of my friends. I used to ask my friends for help, that can you please help me in this project or something. So by the time when now I am in college, I have realized that friends change. So we should know that we have to do our work on our own. So the thing which I have learned is, we should never delegate our task to anyone. We should learn to do each and everything on our own. We should be responsible enough. We should have that power in ourselves that we can do it, and we should do everything on our own. So that's the thing which I have learned from my past experiences, maybe. Okay, so the next question is, how will you personally execute work from home? Um, Talking about work from home, and with the current situation, I have been noticing that work from home is it's a bit changed nowadays, that everyone's been doing work from homes only. So I would utilize this time, the time which I'll be getting at my home, the the traveling time I'll be saving. So I'll be utilizing that time. I'll be doing the optimum utilization of the time I can, and I'll be working totally effectively for the team. And so the next question is, what you like to do outside work? Basically, outside the work, I really like to play outdoor games, and I like to explore different areas. I really like to travel a lot, so that's the thing which I really like to do outside the work. That's all I would like to say in my respect. Thank you so much. That's all.